I'm looking at metal as a sector, which hasn't started this week on a positive note, and you will see that impact coming in for many of those metal stocks as well. So we are starting with a bit of a red into the street there. The PMI data from across the world has come in on the positive side, and that tells you that the rate hike concerns just become more concrete right now. What the street, though, will be watching out for is the first quarter GDP numbers from the US markets that come in on this week itself. I'll start with the steel prices, which are trading at a 4-month lows right now, trading below $3,800 a ton there. We have seen Chinese steel demand decline by 19% in the first quarter of year-on-year from the construction season, and that is weighing onto the markets. Apart from that, when you look at the Chinese steel production numbers, that actually have gained up. For the month of March, nearly 7% up, and for the first quarter, up by nearly 6%, and the consumption has declined, and that's clearly weighing onto the steel prices there. I also want to talk about the copper prices, where we are trading at a one-week lows on your screens. 19% of a decline in imports is what we've seen in the month of March. So the demand clearly was on the weaker side there. And the premiums have continued to decline, down by nearly 27% since the start of 2023, tells you that the demand in China clearly is quite uneven, fragile even. LME stocks are trading at the lowest in 2005, but when you look at the Shanghai stocks, they have started to see a bit of a drawdown in the month of April, and that also has slowed down. The rising production in Latin America also continues to weigh in case of copper prices there. And then take a look at iron ore prices. That's trading at a more than 3-month lows into the international markets. The Chinese markets have seen a very sharp decline, and the producers like Rio Tinto and Vale have seen production increase for the month of March and for the first quarter as well. The China State Planner in the meanwhile have said that they are keeping an eye on the price dynamics here, and any manipulation will not be allowed. So we are looking at iron ore prices getting stuck in a very narrow range there. If you look at the zinc prices, they are trading at a 5-month lows. Aluminum prices trading at a 1-week lows. And this is what we've done in the last 1 week when it comes to many of these metal prices. The sharpest of declines coming in from steel and then iron ore. You also have seen the zinc prices decline by 5% in last 1 week. Also trading in the green is copper. Aluminum actually is the only one that's trading in the green. We have seen 1% gains right now, and the prices also have opened Asian markets nearly 0.5% on the higher side.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that.